Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue that many of you have been facing, the CapCut application not updating. Let's get started and see how to fix this. If you've been trying to get the latest version of CapCut and keep hitting that couldn't update message, don't worry. I've got some simple fixes. So, when you press update now, you might see a pop-up that says updating. But then, instead of the update going through, you get that annoying notice saying it couldn't update. Frustrating. And here's a good reminder. Whenever you're trying to fix an update issue, it's not a bad idea to think about backing up your projects. Just in case something goes wrong during the update process, you'll have everything saved. Open up the standard installation path, then navigate to the user data folder. Here, you'll find a folder called Projects, which contains your project data. For this tutorial, I'm going to save the folder to the desktop. By the way, you can also find the path of your project in the top right-hand corner when a project is open. You might also want to consider saving the clips, audio, and B-roll that you find on the left-hand side. Select Open File Location, and then do what you need to do. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's try to fix the issue. First off, let's make sure your internet connection is solid. Go to the CapCut website and try to connect. If that's not possible, you might want to check the host's file. Maybe you or someone else has blocked the website. To do this, go to C, Windows, System 3 to a drivers, etc. and open the host's file in Notepad. Keep in mind that you'll need admin rights to edit it. As you can see, my host's file doesn't contain any entries. If you find something similar to this, simply delete it or comment it out by adding a hash at the beginning. Now that we've ensured you can access the website, one thing you could try is flushing the DNS to refresh your network settings. This can help resolve any connectivity issues. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator and type in the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Press enter, and you should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been flushed. Then try again. If you still receive the message, check the firewall settings. Make sure that CapCut is allowed through the firewall, as it might be blocking the application from accessing the internet. Check the inbound and outbound rules to see if CapCut servers and IP addresses are blocked. If you find any rules that are blocking them, disable those rules if necessary. If the update issue persists, you can temporarily turn off the firewall to see if that resolves the problem. To do this, run the following command in a terminal as an administrator. Run CapCut and try to update it. You should be able to update CapCut without any issues now. If you're still having no luck, hang on. I have one last tip to share with you to fix the issue. Just remember to turn back on the firewall to keep your system secure. The last tip I'd like to share is to use the official online installer of CapCut. Go to the official website and download the installer. This can help ensure that you have the latest version and that everything is set up correctly. After downloading, run the installer and wait until the latest version of CapCut is downloaded and installed on your computer. Since you've made a backup, nothing should go wrong during this process. As you can see, the latest version of CapCut has been downloaded and installed, and my project is still intact. Thank goodness, I now have the latest version of CapCut, and nothing can stop me from creating my YouTube video.
Yeah. Weird.